Understanding restitution hearing in legal terms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a topic that sits at the intersection of law and language. The phrase, restitution hearing. This might sound complex, but don't worry. We're going to break it down together, so you'll not only understand what it means but also how it's used in legal contexts. This is especially useful if you're interested in legal English or just want to expand your vocabulary. Let's get started. First, let's dissect the phrase into two parts, restitution and hearing. Restitution is a legal term that refers to the act of restoring something to its rightful owner, or providing compensation for loss, damage, or injury caused. In simpler terms, it's about making things right by giving back or paying for what was lost or damaged. Hearing, in a legal context, is a proceeding before a court or other decision-making body where evidence is presented and arguments are made, often to decide an issue or case. It's not as formal as a trial but is a crucial step in the legal process. A restitution hearing is a specific type of court proceeding where the focus is on determining the amount of money or type of compensation a defendant must pay to a victim. This usually happens after the defendant has been found guilty of a crime. The hearing is the court's way of figuring out how to fairly compensate the victim for their losses or injuries. During a restitution hearing, both the victim and the defendant have the opportunity to present evidence and arguments about the extent of the damages and the appropriate amount of restitution. The judge then uses this information to make a decision. Restitution hearings are important because they serve justice by ensuring that victims are compensated for their losses. They recognize the harm done to the victims and attempt to alleviate it through financial means. For the defendant, it's a chance to take responsibility for their actions and make amends. Understanding restitution hearings is crucial for anyone studying legal English, as it exemplifies how the legal system seeks to balance the scales of justice, not just by punishing offenders but also by addressing the needs of the victims. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the phrase, restitution hearing. We hope this video has illuminated not just the meaning of these words, but also their significance within the legal system. Remember, learning legal English can open up a new world of understanding and opportunities, especially for those interested in law, justice, or improving their English skills for professional reasons. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!